Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thank you so much for joining me here. Hope you're having a great day. This is a quick crypto market update where we look at Bitcoin, CME futures, and obviously if there's any Bitcoin dominance indications of where altcoins are at right now. But at this point, we're still in the range of expectation for Bitcoin, pulling back as we see this power of three type of play out happen. In other words, we get an accumulation phase, manipulation phase, and of course the expansive wave down that essentially sweeps any late longs. Majority of liquidation has been fully swept, so if we take a look at our playout chart for Bitcoin, we can recognize here that majority liquidation has been hit, but we still got lower liquidation between 105 and 103. So not trying to scare you at all, but I think 104 to 105K makes the most sense, especially with the liquidation short delta being, about 1 billion in liquidation to the downside. So basically shorts are in play for the moment, but I do foresee, if we zoom out a little bit, this 105 to 104K range, macro support based on point of control and volume being a heavy area of consolidation if we do see that level. So just heads up, that may come to pass. All right, so just be prepared. I'm waiting to take entry on a long until I see 104 to 105K. That's just me personally. Bitcoin dominance, we are starting to see increase once more. So we saw a nice little pump from altcoins yesterday when Bitcoin dominance was dropping, but now at this point altcoins are just selling off pretty hard, about 2 to 3x of Bitcoin for the moment. So I do think we're starting to see a bottom for them. Will we see one more leg down from Bitcoin? We'll probably see another significant leg down from altcoins. So pay attention to that, but that's par for the course as per usual. All CME gaps have been officially filled. We had a very small CME gap left remaining from the weekend at 106.3. We saw a wick down there at this point to fill that. So all gaps have been officially filled. That's about all we got here, folks. Appreciate you watching. Thanks again so much for being an awesome part of my life. Like, subscribe, follow if you haven't yet already. And join us on CryptoCache.tech if you want to become a better trader. Took some nice profits on our XRP pump yesterday at about 20%. All right, folks, have a good one. Thanks again for your time. We'll see you soon.